Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard battery range. Has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed camera as well with a nice tailgate step. We do get a nice gripped running board with a side view camera, lights, blind spot detection, a place to plug in your vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we got that signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob to open the button up there or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You even get storage underneath with a mobile power cord. It even gives you an example here that you can put golf clubs in here, Pro Power onboard, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and you can turn on your front lights on or off, and to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, and a carpet interior, cup holders, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 550 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To main right, we have our gear select. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here, USB, USB-C, dual climate up front with heated front seats, nice little coin slot with Pro Trailer Assist, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. We have our traction and hazards and a 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. I'm going to click into our bed camera, which is pretty nice, so you can keep an eye on all your goodies. And looking at our audio, we do have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, drive modes, all that jazz. Apps in general, and any apps you've downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, features of the vehicle, and I'm going to click into our drive modes real quick, where we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive. We do get Pro Power onboard, charge settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG15201, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.